Hi, mathematicians. It's Mrs. Owens.
And Miss Tate.
And we are going to be math partners together and show you how to do today's math lesson with some vending machine number stories. So, for our lesson, you will need a blank or lined piece of paper and a pencil, and your partner will need the same. You also need a vending machine because the prices on the vending machine are what we are going to use to create these number stories. So if you still have your vending machine that you created on Tuesday, you can use that one. If you have misplaced it, you are welcome to use the teacher example. So we are going to create at least 2 number stories. You're welcome to do more if you would like. And one partner is going to write, the other partner is going to solve, and then you'll go back to the first partner to check your answers and then post it on Seesaw when you're done. So Miss Tate and I are going to show you how you could do this with another first grade friend who's far away. You can get on Zoom or FaceTime. If you would like to just do it with someone at home and not have to use technology to share your math problems, that's totally great too. So I'm going to look at my vending machine and all of the items that are choices and also the prices and think about a number story where someone goes shopping and you have to figure out how much they are going to spend. So we are doing addition number stories with our vending machines today. So I wrote a number story about Rashid. He was a little hungry. My number story says Rashid needs a snack. He is going to buy rice cakes, and I put 50 cents on the page so that my partner may not have to look back at my vending machine when they start solving. And Rashid also bought some granola for 40 cents. How much will Rashid spend in all? Remember, at the end of your number story, you have to have a question with a question mark so that your partner knows what answer they're trying to find. So I can take a picture of this number story and send it to my partner. I could email it to them. I could just give it to them if they're in person with me at my house. Since Miss Tate is far away, it's going to look backwards to you guys, but Miss Tate can read my problem and she can try to solve it for how much cents Rashid spent in all. So Miss Tate, here's my math number story for you.
Okay, great. So rice cakes are 50 cents. So I would write 50 cents down first. And then granola is 40 cents. So I would write that down next. And then I think I'm going to use rods to help me with this because we've used longs and cubes or rods to help. So I'm kind of like tallies. You could also use tally marks. And so I'm going to put 5 longs down. And then I'm going to put 4 down for 40. And then I'm going to add those up. So I know 5 plus 4 equals 9. And then don't forget to put the 0 at the end. And then also don't forget to put the cent sign for our unit. And then I'm also going to show how to solve it using tallies. Because like I mentioned before, we could always solve using tallies as well and then add those up. And so I would put a 9 down and a 0. And then again, don't forget to put what unit it is. So we're talking about cents here. And then Rashid would be able to buy his granola and rice cakes for 90 cents. And there's my work.
Great job, Miss Tate. Thank you for showing your work.
Mrs. Owen.
That was so great. So then Miss Tate would give me her answer and I would check it. And if they got their answer wrong, you can help them to fix it and find the right amount. And then at the end, you'll take a picture of your 2 number stories and post them to Seesaw. You can also take multiple pictures and post them if you need to. You are welcome to do this with a partner at home and your family or a partner that you'd like to connect with digitally as well. So don't forget to write, trade, solve, check, and then post. We hope you have lots of fun.
Bye, mathematicians.
See you guys later.